When I started my career many years ago, my first job was in operations. I was a business analyst. I was taking care of processing and making sure orders of the clients were delivered. And so it was an operational function. 6 months after, they asked me, Antonio, do you want to join a project? We're creating a shared service center, something new, and we are looking for people. I didn't have any idea about projects or project management, but I said, yes, I want to join that. And to my surprise, from the beginning, I loved the project work. Every day was different. I was learning new things every day. I was meeting new people every day, as opposed to operations where I had my tasks to do. I was working always with the same people, doing the same things. And the project part was challenging, exciting, new, complicated. We had issues that we had to work hard. So if this is something that interests you, if the world of projects is something that it gets your curiosity, for me, it was like, I love this type of work. I moved into project management and I never left it. So if you like to constantly be challenged, if you like to meet new people regularly, if you want to work with different type of people, not just in your region, but across the world, then most likely project management is the right career for you. Watch this video, this training, and you will learn more about it.